Oh, I'm going with the kids in the mall. Really? Good for that. Alright, of course you can.
What are we doing, Jay? What are we doing?
You're awful quiet. Right now, we're just going through KUC training. Kind of a requirement that they require us to do. Originally, you're supposed to do an 8-hour course, but now they have broken it down.
Oh, yeah, try to smash it down.
We've gotten smarter. Gotten to the point where we just taking safety to a whole nother level where they think that we just need a 4-hour course now. So you guys kind of got it lucky. I'm pretty sure just a couple months ago we're doing an 8-hour course. And so I hope you guys get as much as we got out of an 8-hour class that you guys are going to get out of this 4-hour class. Crunched down into a 4-hour class.
All I'm trying to say is we might as well go back to college and all these testing. Went to like 5 different places.
It's
a lot of training, man.
College, they teach you how to do what you got when you're going to go into that field. What they're teaching us here is how to stay safe in the field. We're actually in the field. These college kids are just going from the classroom to the field, not coming to this course. And that's why they end up going back and getting their bachelor and masters, and because they find out that they really never needed their associates to go do whatever they want to do, like our safety guys. So to eliminate any other hazards, just take your safety class serious. Operation is the key.
Or just take notes. We don't know where the drill is. Just take notes.
Just take notes in class. Scribble some stuff down.
That works.
100%.
This guy's been in the business over 30 years. 35 years is no injury. It's in the business. No work.
No work, all play.
When you guys are going, when scaffolding's going up, and the guys on top, they're taking this, tying off the jumps, like tying off the block sometimes, scary stuff.
It's like, well, you can't do anymore.
Scary stuff.
It is, man.
That's the part that we've been.
You become, over time, with the experience and knowing how safe you can be.
They don't want you to tie off to the vessel. They don't want you to tie off. You're supposed to tie off on the staging, right?
I mean, if you don't have something, you can find something. You need to find something.
Yeah.
Well, you have to create.
You create it as you go. That's what you do.
Pretty much. I mean, back a couple of years ago when I first started, we were climbing lakes. And just like in the last 3-4 years, we decided we're going to build ladders as we build this scaffold.
Yeah.
Because, safety's become a real big issue. It's killed a lot of scaffold building.
And it's okay because now you can take time enough to do it safely. Nobody's saying, hey, why is it taking so long?
I mean, and if they do, that's when you throw your stop card down.
It's we're doing this right. Most companies will want you to do it right.
And there you go. The words of the wise. Words of the wisdom.